Today, I'm going to show you how to speed up Windows 11 for free without using any third-party software. So, let's begin this quick tutorial. Step 1. Change power options. Go to the Start menu and search for Power Options. Click on it from the results. The Control Panel Power Options window will open. You'll see that the default power plan is set to Balanced. Change it to High Performance, then close the window. Step 2. Disable unwanted startup programs. Right-click on any empty space on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see all the programs that start automatically when Windows boots. Many programs add startup services when installed, which can slow down boot time and overall system performance. If there are programs you don't use daily, they don't need to run at startup. For example, if you're not an active Xbox user, you can disable it. Disable any programs you don't need regularly. Do not disable programs published by Microsoft Corporation, and do not disable your antivirus. Once done, close Task Manager. Step 3. Defragment and optimize drives. Go to the Start menu and search for Defragment and Optimize Drives. Open it, select your system drive, usually the C drive, and click Optimize. Once the process finishes, close the window. Step 4. Delete temporary files. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Type %temp% and click OK. Select all files and delete them. Open Run again and type temp. Click OK. Select all files and delete them. Open Run again and type prefetch. Click OK. Click Continue. Select everything and delete. All these commands will be available in the video description. Step 5. Disk Cleanup. Open File Explorer, right-click on your C drive and select Properties. Select Tools, then click on Check. Here, click Scan Drive, and let it scan. Once finished, click OK. Step 6. Disable unnecessary services. Open Run. Type msconfig. Then click OK. Go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services. This step is very important. Now disable unnecessary services and click OK. Step 7. Registry tweaks for better responsiveness. Follow carefully. Open Run. Type regedit and click OK. Navigate to HKEI Current User, then Control Panel, then Mouse. Double-click Mouse Threshold 1 and set the value to 10. Now go to Control Panel, then Desktop. Find Menu Show Delay and set the value to 10. Click OK. Step 8. Adjust visual effects. Go to Start, search for System, and open it. Click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. All visual effects will be disabled. If you want, you can enable small effects like showing shadows under the mouse pointer. Click Apply, then OK. Now, restart your PC to apply all changes. And that's it, guys. This is how you can speed up Windows 11 and make your PC feel faster. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and share this video to support the channel. You can comment your experience, ask questions, or leave suggestions. I reply to every single comment. This is Ali Khan from Tech Resolve. See you in the next one. Peace out.